Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all. This is Rashi Pavaskar with my teammate Anjali Prem Singh Rathod, Siddhi Mahesh Dhanmeher, Saurabh Rai, Indrajit Yadav from Pravin Patil College of Civil Department. Today we are here to present you a small presentation on the effectiveness and obstruction of sandkit and concrete block and foundation system under the guidance of Soham Chaudhary sir. These are the contents which we have covered in this PPT. Introduction, advantages and disadvantages, materials used in manufacturing, methods of manufacturing, purpose, assessment of the block, difference between which is more better and why, limitations of the project.
What is Sancrete? Sancrete is a yellow-white building material made from a binder sand in a ratio of circa 1:8, and water, soil, cement, or landcrete are similar materials but use other types of soil. Sancrete is usually used as hollow rectangular block similar to concrete machinery units, often white thick, and the blocks are joined together with mortar. What is concrete? Concrete is a construction material composed of cement, fine aggregate sand, and coarse aggregate mixed with water, which hardens with time. Portland cement is the commonly used type of cement for production of concrete. Concrete technology deals with the study of properties of concrete and its practical applications.
Advantages and disadvantages in Sancrete. Advantages: it is cheaper in cost, it is much easier to manufacture, high compressive strength, its technology is quite cheap, its color can be easily changed as desired. Disadvantages: Sancrete blocks are non-load bearing material, hence it can only be used for partition walls. Sancrete blocks are well known for cracks after installation, which can be overcome by reducing the mortar strength. Sancrete blocks have brittle nature, therefore they require more care than clay brick while handling and transporting. The cost per unit of Sancrete block is high, but overall masonry cost is low because it requires less mortar for installation. Advantages and disadvantages in concrete. Advantages: wooden forms are not needed. With a poured foundation, there are forms that have to be pieced together and then properly secured before the concrete can be mixed and poured. Blocks are light and easy to install. Any person who has masonry experience can install a concrete block foundation. The blocks are strong and well insulated. When the rebar is used, it adds strength to the structure, and the filled blocks insulate the building well. They are well suited to construction in seismic areas. They are the versatile building material. Disadvantages: people take shortcuts and not fill every block with mortar. By taking this shortcut, the integrity of foundation is compromised and the structure is relatively weak. The mortar that is used to adhere the blocks together will crumble and disintegrate over time. High maintenance cost of block foundations. Mortar must constantly be monitored and blocks must be sealed every so often to ensure that no leaks occur. Concrete blocks can be expensive. Traditional building supplies are less expensive than purchasing enough blocks for a full foundation.
Methods of manufacturing of sandcrete blocks: batching, mixing, mix ratio, water content, molding, curing. Methods of manufacturing of concrete blocks: mixing, molding, curing, cubing. Materials used in manufacturing of concrete blocks: cement, aggregate, fly ash, water, admixtures.
Purposes of Sancrete block. Sancrete is unswitchable for load-bearing columns and is mainly used for walls or for foundation if no switchable alternative is available. As material for walls, its strength is less than that of fired clay brick, but Sancrete is considerably cheaper. Sancrete is the main building material for walls of single-story buildings such as houses or schools in countries such as Ghana and Nigeria. Purposes of concrete block. A concrete block is primarily used as a building material in the construction of wall. It is sometimes called a concrete masonry unit (CMU). A concrete block is one of several precast concrete products used in construction. Hollow concrete blocks are widely used for exterior and interior load-bearing walls, partition walls, panel walls, boundary walls, etc. There are so many types of partition walls that are used in house construction.
So here you can see the assessment of blocks, sandcrete and concrete blocks.
Which is more better between concrete and sandcrete and why? Concrete is better than sandcrete. These are some of the following reasons why concrete is better than sandcrete. The compressive strength of concrete is much more and better than sandcrete. The strength of concrete is much more than that of sandcrete. Concrete can be used much more in construction such as load bearing walls, panel walls, etc., where sandcrete cannot be used. Concrete do not cause often cracks in structures like sandcrete does, hence concrete is more long lasting. Concrete is suitable in most of the construction work as it is versatile building material.
Limitations of the projects. These are the factors that makes the execution of the project delay, namely time aspects, financial problem, mechanical problem, misunderstandings among the students, poor arrangement or poor commencement of the project. Thank you.